Another useful shader in this list that we can use it a lot is the tiles. You can use it in very, can open, better seeing that. This is a tile. You can change the color of that. Ground color means the color of these parts, these lines, okay? You can then right click and reset to default if you want. You can then change color of other tiles, something like that. The pattern, we have a lots of pattern here, brick number 1. Some of our other setting will be turned on after some other settings. You can see we have lots of interesting pattern of tile. You can see the radial, rotational is activating because of that. Nice. Okay, some come back to brick number 1 or brick number 2. And then, or you can right click and reset all to default. Nice. Here you can change the ground width. You can change the width of this line. Bevel width. You can see we can create a simple bumpy shape of the tiles. If you want, you can activate or deactivate the simple bevel. If you deactivate it, it looks like more bump. Randomize color, it's randomize the color of the tiles. Let's activate bevel. We don't have any tips here. Orientation is for something like other orientation, I think. Yeah, it's U and V. For some others, you can change the orientation. Global scale, globally change the scale of the tiles. Scale in a U, scale in a V. You can scale it in any direction that you want. Individually, radial scale is activating, I think, for some. Oh yeah, it's for it. You can change the rotation, radial scale, and rotation if you want. And the delta is with a scale. Try these two numbers are the same. It's delta, as I said before, is for a bump. If you, for example, make it the brick number, which was that? We set to the default squares. If you scale it down or up, make sure that the numbers is equal with the delta. It's sure that the details of bump are equal. With the black and white code, if you want to use it in displacement, it's very important. The seeds, it turns in some other tiles that it's randomized, change the pattern. Okay, this is a tile. You can use it